Nico, I have a question. With regard to social media postings and, putting yourself out there, would you say na mas okay, let's say, ako, as a former, sige, wag na ako. Somebody who's active. Somebody who's active na lang. Na, let's say, more content about them being an athlete, or dapat ba meron din silang, because there are certain trends, di ba, yung mga collabs. What do you recommend for that?
It depends It depends talaga. Una, sport, who you are, all of these things Minsan kapag national athlete ka, iba yung approach mo compared sa non-national athlete not representing the country. You can do a different demeanor or different style. Mas may freedom. Unlike kapag national athlete, may certain image limits ka rin. Is that right? For mga federations? Latali ka ba sa ganun?
Depende siguro sa federation mo.
I guess so,
Depende rin sa federation talaga yung mga certain limits. In fact, iba pinapasign ng contract, di ba? Na once you're a national athlete, you have to abide by these certain limits.